I'm your Subnata ma'am, and today I welcome you all in our second term online classes. I hope you have followed our previous sessions classes also and you enjoy these e-learning courses at home. That in our second term classes we will provide you all the subjects and its contents, also including exercises through this video classes. So follow us in our YouTube channel that is linked as Gyan Public School. We always with you and we always help you through this video classes. So don't forget to follow us. Hope that all of you are well. Today we will start a new chapter from grammar gear subject, that is chapter 8, and it is also based on the verbs. In our previous class we have learned the regular verbs and irregular verbs, means the action words, and here we are knowing about the verbs which tells us about the present time, means the present tense. As we know, present means today. So, the tense which will tell us about today's action, that is known as simple present tense. So, let us know about these tense. You can see in the board, here I have written down verbs, that is in book am, is, are, and it is your book page number 49. You can see it is in your book page number 49. Now you can see I have written present tense. It is also known as simple present tense, or we can call it present indefinite. That am, is, are known as be verbs. Means verbs has many terms. Be verb, has verb, have verbs. So it is under in that be verbs, and be verbs it is am, is, are, and these specific verbs that am, is, are tells us about today's action, means present time. So we know that tense means time, and time it is all are related to the verbs. It is doing words, means you can say it is doing words or action words. So here we got it. Here, so tense means time. So time is related to your work, and when it is in the present tense, means it related to today's action, then we use am, is, are. Students, like your maths number table, that one's number table, two numbers table, here it is also a table, and when you are solving the problem of the tense related questions, tense related sentences, you have to remember these tables and you have to memorize these tables, and these are very funny. You can learn it very well and it will help you to solve the questions. Now here it is a table of simple present tense that is based on be verbs, am, is, are. Here you can see I have divided a table into three columns, that is one is item person, that is singular number and plural number. Person means here it is no names. It is related to the first person, second person, third person. And we understand these persons with the help of pronouns. So first person is I in singular number, and plural number it change into we. Second person in singular number we say you, we can personalize one person, that is you, and also we use that same pronoun in the plural number, it is also you. Now in the third person, when it is in singular number we use these pronouns, that is he or she or it, or the name, any proper names. In our previous class I have discussed it, that any proper noun is singular noun form. So here the name Ram, the cat, Ria, dog, any name, all these names are noun. So these names are third person singular number. And here the plural form of he, she, it changed into they. The third person plural number is they. And we can say Ram and Riya means the more than one, it is also into the plural number, and here it is they. So we have learned here that first person singular number I, plural number we, second person singular number you, second person plural number you, third person singular number he, she, it, third person plural number they. Now we have to use these be verbs am, is, are according to these persons, that is I am. Always remember these are the only verb which only used with the letter I always carry am in simple present tense form. So I am, we are, you are, he, she, it is, they are, Ram is, the cat is, the Riya is. Okay, Ram and Riya are, cats are, friends are. So when it is in plural form, we have to use are. And when it is in first person singular number, it is carry I am. Second person singular number, it is carry you are, the verb is are. Third person singular number, it is carry is. So whenever we have seen any sentence starts with the third person singular number, we always use is. And when it is in plural number, it is are. So now I am, we are, you are, he, she, it is, they are. Here it is, Ram is, the cat is, Riya is, Ram and Riya are, cats are, and friends are. So these you have to remember this table. It is very important when you are going to solve these be verbs related questions. Now you are going to your exercise A, that is in your page number 51. That is in your page number 51. You find out that you have to fill in the blanks with the correct options. Means here you have some options and you have to write down the correct options in the blanks. As we know that when it is in plural number and also in the third persons, so we always use the verb are. So look at the first sentence, Rupali and Dipali. Rupali and Dipali. Here more than one person. So these are plural number. So we use the verb are here. Rupali and Dipali are twins. Next, number 2, C dash a pilot. As we learned here that in the third person singular number, C pronouns relate to the third person singular number. When it is third person singular number, we use the verb is. So we write down is here. C is a pilot. Next, in question number 3, I dash a swimmer. We are reading already that I always carry out the verb in present tense form, that is am. So it is I am. Next, in the question number 4, they dash neighbors. They dash neighbors. Here it is they means are. They are neighbors. So it is in the third person plural number, we use are. As it is in number 5, we dash good students. We dash good students means we are the first person plural number, so we use the verb are. So students, you understand that if we follow these tables, if we follow these sentences and memorize these tables properly, it will help us to solve these sentences properly. So what we get the answers here? Rupali and Dipali are twins. C is a pilot. I am swimmer. They are neighbors and we are good students. So in that exercise because there is this table and we follow this table when we have to solve these questions. It will help us. So read it and write down in your notebook with the date and underline in your exercise of the book and write the fill in the blanks in your books also. So keep your study on and keep practicing and follow our video classes. We will do the next exercise in the next class.